Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Ramadan day 10. The reason I'm able to keep up with it so well is because of Elena's countdown calendar.
Honestly, that's the only way we've been able to keep up with the days.
I know. And she is
flying by.
Yeah, she's giving me such a hard time because every time we open it, she wants to open up every single one, and she literally cries.
She actually grabbed, she was able to get the number 28 because it's in the bottom right corner.
She was able to like stand on her clothing rack and like reach it, and she came out with the toy and chocolate and a sticker.
Yeah, so we had to like bargain with her. I had to make a deal with her, and I was like, I'll put the toy and the sticker back and you can have the chocolate, and that worked out for her.
It worked, but we're struggling with that. But we just got back from our little annual family photo shoot. We usually do it before Ramadan, but we just couldn't make it work, so we were able to gather everybody today to take the pictures. The only person we're missing is Usama, which is Lauren's fiance, so
maybe next year.
Elena's always the star of the show. I'm sure you guys will see it in my sister's vlogs too. Okay, I just realized this, so I had to share it in the vlog. We're pretty sure I bought this shirt for Omar when we were still in high school. Yeah. Like, I'm almost 100%.
I think you were in high school, but I had already graduated.
Okay, I think that's what it was. I was like a senior or something. So that means this shirt is like
11 years old?
11 years old.
There's no way, actually.
Classic.
It still looks really good.
I know. Do any of your husbands wear clothes for that long? Like, I don't have anything in my closet from high school anymore, but Omar, he will keep his stuff.
I do. I have that black shirt I have, still from high school.
Yeah.
It's got holes in it. You know,
He's
it's just so
going.
comfortable. Like, I can't throw it away.
So funny. Almost iftar time.
1 minute.
Change into comfy clothes.
And washed all my makeup off.
Man, I wish I'd done that.
You can if you want.
Maybe I will. We ready to eat?
We ready.
We got steaks today.
Yep.
Oh, you're right.
A baked potatoes.
Because Muhammad's here, so we had to make extra special.
That's right.
That's right.
They've got steaks, they got baked potato, Caesar salad.
Thank you, man.
That
Thank
looks
you.
so yummy.
It's happening, it's happening.
Let's see. It's the two chefs.
Oh my god.
Wow.
See that?
Mashallah.
That's perfect medium right there.
It's a perfect medium rare.
Medium rare? Oh, okay. I'm a medium well kind of girl.
Me too. I mean, but man, not
Is this the breaking the fast spot?
Yeah, this is the spot.
I need some water too.
So when you tell doctor, not the guy who Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
It's tea time. Pouring myself some peppermint tea. Let's see what we got going on. My dad made some kunafa, his famous recipe. Hello you guys, it is a few days later. I just finished getting ready for the day and it is 2 p.m. I haven't been just doing nothing though. We've been sitting down and like strategizing, planning content, and it took forever. I have a little veiled collection try on haul because I just got so many fun, beautiful things in from them for Ramadan and Eid, and I also wanted to do a little pregnancy update. So let's start with that. So first of all, I am almost 30 weeks. Literally when I say 30 weeks, that just makes it sound like I'm like at the finish line. I have basically 10.5-ish more weeks until the baby gets here, inshallah. That just doesn't seem like very long time. I'm just like, oh my god, I can't believe it's actually happening. I had an OB appointment yesterday. I had to do my glucose test. I failed my first one with Elena and thankfully I like passed the second one, but it's so annoying when you fail the first one because you have to repeat it and do like an even longer test. So you have to drink again, which is, I don't really think it's nasty. Like to me, it just tastes like flat Sprite, like a flat soda. It like doesn't have any carbonation, just like a lot of sugar all at once because you have to finish the drink within 5 minutes. So anyways, you chug that and then they take your blood like an hour later. Well, for the second one, you have to drink the drink again, and then they check it at like 1 hour, 2 hours, and then 3 hours. So you have to stay at the doctor's office for like a really long time. It's so inconvenient, and I had to do that last time, and I was like, oh my god, I don't want to have to do that again this time. My doctor actually doesn't make you fast for this test. A lot of doctors do. She was like, just eat as normal because it's more accurate that way. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna fast because I don't want to have to redo it. But I was so weak. I got so hungry for breakfast. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna eat breakfast, and then I won't eat like a couple hours before the appointment. Well, a couple hours before the appointment, I was starving again. I literally ate chocolate chip cookies on my way to the appointment. I was so dumb, but thank God I got the results last night and I passed somehow. By the grace of God, I passed the test. That was good news. So we had to do a repeat sonogram on the baby to look at his kidneys again because they were both a little bit dilated, but alhamdulillah, the second repeat ultrasound that we did, they're getting smaller, and my doctor said that it's very, very common for that to happen to baby boys. So we're just praying that it like resolves before delivery. The same thing I think happened to my sister-in-law Mara with her son. I've heard it being like very, very common in little boys for some reason. We're just gonna keep our eye on that. But alhamdulillah, everything else is looking really, really good, and he's measuring like on track. I know he can still gain a lot of weight at the end, so I'm a little bit nervous about how big he's gonna get. I feel bigger this time even though he's on track. I know I am bigger. I don't know, like I hope he just doesn't gain a whole bunch of weight at the end and then I deliver like a 10-pound baby. I'm really scared about that. Oh, I can do a little baby boy haul in this video too because I got some new cute things. I think I'm done shopping for clothes for now. I think I have enough like basics and stuff. And I didn't get as many cutesy outfits this time. I really just got the essentials, like the onesies, just like the necessities this time. Let me do a little bump date, show you guys how big I've gotten, and then we'll do a little Veiled collection try on haul. Little bump date. I am, like I said, almost 30 weeks. The baby is the size of a cauliflower, but for some reason I feel like it looks a lot bigger than a cauliflower in there. Oh, I just feel so big, and I can't believe I still have at least 10 weeks. I'm gonna get real big towards the end, I think. And this set is one that I got from Zahra last Ramadan, which she needs to restock because it's one of my favorites. Kind of tight around the bump, but I'm really struggling with what to wear on a daily basis right now. That's still like modest and not just leggings. Let me share with you guys all the cute stuff I got in from Veiled collection, and we'll do a little try on. I'm having Omar do the video because I don't have another tripod, and I'm also trying to film it for a reel. This is the brown Abaya set that I got from Veiled collection. The sleeves are like this pleated design, and I also got it in white, and it works because there's no waistband. My bump is free. I am bumping today.
Free the bump.
Free the bump. Quickly mentioning this Milena dress from Zahra, the label. I think I tried it on in my last video, but I just wanted to share it again since I'm trying them on. Here's the next one from Veiled. It's like a linen material, so it definitely does wrinkle a little bit, but their second edit is more of like that back to nature, like all natural like tones and materials, and I'm really loving this. I feel like this would be perfect for Ramadan or even vacation. The bump doesn't really fit that great in it because of where the waistline is, but it's still kind of works. Here's another one from Zahra that I think I already showed you, but since I already have it on, it's so pretty, and I love these sleeves. I love this set. So it's a 3-piece set. I don't know for sure if they all come together or if maybe like the dress and the skirt is separate, but let me explain this to you. It's an open abaya on top. We have a sleeveless dress, and then this skirt is like separate. You just tie this over, which was perfect because then I can tie this over my bump, or you can just put it on wherever your waistline is. But this comes in several colors, and it is literally so gorgeous. I love how it has these little like ruched sleeves. Here is the same abaya in white. I'm so happy I got this one. I feel like this is one of my favorite pieces. It's just so elegant. It's the next day. I realize I'm wearing pretty much the same thing as yesterday, but I am about to prep iftar. I had some comments on one of my TikTok videos that I did giving me a hard time that I didn't know any traditional dishes. I feel like, yes, I probably should have put more effort into like learning how to make grape leaves and matluba and like all like the traditional stuff. In my home, I just like to do simple, healthy meals. Not to say those aren't healthy, but they're not simple. So I guess I'm more of like, I just like a simple type of recipe. Don't get me wrong, I do appreciate those meals from my mom and my mother-in-law who both know how to make them. Anyway, today I'm gonna make Lamb chops because it's easy. I can throw those in the air fryer. Quinoa because I'm also gonna try to do tabbouleh. I wanted to try some simple, healthy, traditional meals. We're gonna do tabbouleh and we're gonna do lentil soup because I know those are easy and simple and healthy. I'm gonna put quinoa in the tabbouleh instead of burghul. I'm just gonna have that on the side as well for the lamb chops, and I'm gonna do lentil soup. I thought I would just set you guys up and we can cook together. Just had to call my mom to make sure I knew how to make lentil soup. I've actually made it like years ago, like back when I was a freshman in college or something, but forgot the measurements, and it's so easy. I like carrots in my lentil soup, so that's why I am chopping these. Omar has arrived. He's gonna help me chop the parsley for tabbouleh, and he's asking me which knife, and I literally don't even know. I think so, but I think the bigger one would probably be better.
Bigger one?
Yeah, let's try that.
This one?
Yeah, something like that. That's looking like it. I think it's good. I'm seasoning the lamb with curry. I love curry on my lamb.
That sounds good.
A little bit of onion powder because I don't have garlic powder. I literally keep forgetting every time I'm at the grocery store. This will be okay. And then some just salt and pepper.
See, I had it in me after all. It's always like been fascinating to me how our parents like cooked while fasting. You can't taste anything while you're cooking, so but they still know the exact proportions to make everything.
Whenever me and my sisters were like on our break, we would always be like the taste testers of the food to make sure that there was enough spice.
Exactly, yeah. My mom would tell me to come and taste, is to make sure there's enough salt.
When were you not fasting, sir?
When I was a kid.
Oh, okay.
Like when I was 5, 6 years old.
Gonna do a little taste test. Bismillah. Okay, that's so good. Needs a little salt, but so good. I already tried the tabbouleh and I put way too much garlic. I don't know what I was thinking, but still really good for my first time. Looking good. We got Elena to sleep. We have like 1 minute until iftar, so I'm gonna set the table real quick. It's time.
Finally.
Acting like I'm fasting.
Yeah, what are you drinking, Mom?
I don't know. Time for the taste test.
Okay, I think I'm gonna try the
Lentil soup first, yeah.
You said this was your mom's recipe?
If it's bad, then it's not. But
Okay, that's good.
how does it compare to your mom's?
It's really very close to my mom's, honestly. It's really good.
I like it, and
It's
I like
really
the
good.
carrots.
Yeah. See, my mom doesn't put carrots in it.
Now I
We
have
did
to
good.
try the tabbouleh.
Okay, we did good. There's a lot of garlic in there for sure, but it's not too bad. It needs a little bit more lemon, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise it's good.
We're gonna go ahead and enjoy our food. Actually, we're gonna pray first.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna eat and enjoy the rest of our night. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time, inshallah. Bye.